So what we're celebrating this year, Billy, is 4 different programs and projects that the Vermont Women's Fund is giving money to. And one of them is for girls. And of course, we've been giving money to girls a long time. And one of the places we give money to is the Governor's Institute.
Yes, and it's a very effective program that's been going on for years. My daughter went to it a number of years ago, and she came back just thrilled.
So let's take a look at some footage from the Governor's Institute now.
Governor's Institutes of Vermont, also known as GIV, is an enrichment program for high school students that allows young people to get inspired and to find their people and their pathways. They can do a topic like math or the arts or medicine to find out more about the things that they care about and meet people who actually work in that field and see if it's something they want to pursue.
Going to GIV was really a transformative experience for me. Being able to have an intensive week on different topics and be exposed to these new ideas and perspectives was really instrumental to my personal education and definitely has changed the path of my life. This is my 5th institute I've been a staff member at, and I just keep coming back for more. As a student, I did the Environmental Science and Technology Institute as well as the Entrepreneurship Institute, both careers we see that are pretty heavily male-dominated. The connections we have at the Environmental Science and Technology Institute really help women in STEM show the opportunities that are available. We're often seeing women who are really high up in the STEM field, and I think that's just such a great opportunity for students to see people like them as role models.
GIV is probably important because at my school I've never really met anyone who has shared the same passion as me. So here I met a little community that I can really connect with and really feel free around. So I think that's huge.